In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal to your Harvest account. If you use Harvest for time tracking and invoicing, connecting PayPal makes it faster for clients to pay you online, which can help you get paid sooner and keep your cash flow steady. I'll walk you through the exact screens and share a few tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. First, sign in to your Harvest account in a web browser. You'll need access to the account's invoice settings, so make sure you're an admin or have permission to edit company information. If you manage multiple Harvest accounts or organizations, double-check you're in the right workspace before you continue. Once you're in, look toward the top navigation and click Invoices. This is where all billing-related settings live. From here, find and click Configure. That button opens up your invoicing configuration panel so you can control what your clients see and how they pay you. Next, choose Company Information. This section holds your business details as well as payment methods that appear on your invoices. It's the right place to enable PayPal so your clients can pay directly from the invoice they receive. Scroll down until you see Alternative Payment Methods. This is where Harvest lets you toggle additional ways for clients to pay. Enabling an online payment option here adds a visible button to your client-facing invoices, making the payment process straightforward. Select PayPal as a payment option. Turning this on tells Harvest to add a PayPal button to your invoices. Keep in mind that PayPal may charge transaction fees and has its own currency and country availability rules, so be sure your PayPal account supports the payments you expect to receive. If you're prompted, enter your PayPal email address. Use the email associated with your PayPal account where you receive payments. It's important that this address is accurate and active, so take a second to confirm spelling. You don't need to paste any sensitive keys here, just the correct PayPal email. Some teams prefer a dedicated payments inbox to keep things organized. If that's you, use that inbox's address. Finally, click Save at the bottom of the page. Saving applies your changes to future invoices, and you should see a confirmation that your settings were updated. From this point on, clients who open your invoices will see a PayPal option and can pay you securely with just a few clicks. And that's how you link PayPal to your Harvest account. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.